Yes folks, hello and welcome back to Relaxing Woodshop. Of course, my name is David. Thank you so much for all your support throughout the videos. Some already are really starting to take off and I'm starting to see that wee number rise. So I think we're 730 or something of subscribers, so thank you so much for that. So we're going to go down size a wee bit this week and we're going to go back onto the lathe because we haven't really used the lathe in a while. So what we're going to do in the lathe is we're going to make an R2D2. So nothing too big, something about this size here. So it is with the wee legs and the feet and everything else on it. Nothing else to say, so let's get going. Okay, so we're going to go nice and simple with this one. So we're going to pick some nice sycamore, nice flat sycamore that we'll round off. And then of course we need the legs and the feet. So again, just some, I think that's just pine. So we drops of pine that are from leftovers from our previous projects. So we'll get this turned first and then we'll work on then the head and then the design. So now that we've got our cylinder, what we need to do is work out how far down R2 is going to go. So obviously he's not going to be this full length because then it would be just too tall. So I'm reckon we're going to go about here, okay? So we'll turn the lathe on, see what that looks like. So his head's going to start curving from here, roughly, and then his body's going to be about there. So we'll see how that looks. Obviously if we need to go back, we'll not cut there yet. We'll come up here and see how we decide how much we're going to go in here, and then we can work it out from there. Okay guys, you've kind of seen it probably went off a wee bit script there. Reason being, as we were turning this, we thought it was lovely, and then believe it or not, the wee bit that ingresses in to hold the piece actually acts as the top triangle of his square, offset square circle of the top of his head. So we decided then to make it out of all the one piece. So you'll see we ended up using the other piece of the block for the legs, and now we're going on the other bits, just because we actually don't want to paint it now. We actually don't want to leave it in the natural wood to show that it was made out of wood. So let's keep going. Oh, Death Star. Well folks, there we have it for another week at the Relaxing Woodshop, and I can't clap my hands because I'm holding this. So yes, I think that turned out great. So it did. Oh, simple wee project, something enjoyable. The only awkward bit was making sure you get the both legs to match the both sides and that, but other than that, I think it looks fantastic. You could go crazy and do other wee bits and dress it up, but as I was going to go painting it, and then I thought to myself, oh, it's very nice wood, might as well use all the one piece. So there we go, lovely. Careful I didn't drop that. So thank you very much. Again guys, we're such a small channel, so thank you so much for your support, and if you feel that you want to do any likes, subscribes and hit that notification button, please do so. It makes it a lot to us, so it does. And all I have time to say is look forward to seeing you next time on the Relaxing Woodshop.
Take care.